Today I'm making a variation on banana bread, perfect for when you have some overripe bananas and feel a little dramatic. Banana lavender bread. The ingredients are bananas, lavender, flour, sugar, baking powder, sunflower oil or any flavorless oil, and oat milk or milk alternative of your choice. Start by peeling the bananas and mashing them. Mashing can be done with a fork or a masher if you have one. Next, get out the herb grinder and mill about a teaspoon or two of lavender. Lavender is pretty intense. If you're new to cooking with lavender, start maybe with half a teaspoon to try out if you like it at all. I'm pretty fond of lavender in my food, so I'm gonna be heavy-handed. If you don't have a spice grinder, you can use a mortar and pestle or a kitchen machine. Now add the flour, the sugar, the baking powder, milk, and finally the oil. Mix, mix, mix. Get out 2 loaf tins and fold in a sheet of baking paper in each. Then put half the dough in each tin. Bake at 150 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes. Take them out of the oven when they are done and let them cool down to room temperature. You can keep them in the fridge and eat them for the next 4 or 5 days, and you even have one extra to give away, or you can freeze it to have later. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe?